Feel that breeze, guys? That's freedom blowing by.
Tight like iron.
It feels nice. How much time till we reach History City?
No clue. Junior?
Huh?
Okay. Since nobody fucking knows where we are, and we guess anyway, we're gonna take a pit stop.
Adventure! Whoa!
Hi. Can I get 10 gas?
Oh, sorry, lads. We only have 9.
Dirty hag. It's a wonder you stay in business. You accept Chell coin?
Hellcoin!
I'm taking that as a no.
What's up?
Look.
Oh boy, am I hungry.
What am I looking at?
This whole thing? An abomination, I say. It kept scaring away more customers. I'm calling the local gang tomorrow to throw it on the street, break it to pieces, light it on fire, and then throw it into the ocean.
What?
Isn't that overkill? And also unsafe?
Sonny boy, listen. Once you get to my age, you'll learn not to take half measures.
Okay.
What are we gonna do?
Huh?
We can't let her break Dog Pounder!
How do we... Are you asking to take it with us?
That's a wonderful idea! They have Dog Pounder, but if we don't rescue him, they're gonna kill him! Please!
Oh my god, fine. I don't care.
Yippee!
Look, we're gonna take this thing to history and sell it off to the first schmuck we find. Got it?
As long as it finds a loving home.
Why are you strong? Play me again.
What the...
I found you! You're the ones who took Dog Pounder! Are you fucking kidding me?
We found it first!
Yeah! That nice old lady called us to get rid of that machine!
Does it matter who got rid of it? It's gone, right? No problem?
You're right! Except not! There is a problem! I wanted that machine!
Well, finders, keepers, losers, weepers, dingus.
Losers, weepers! Is that a challenge? Junior, wait.
You're on!
You dare challenge a member of the Scale Rippers? You're just asking to get ripped! Prepare to die in rock, paper, scissors!
Eh?
Bruh. 1, 2, 3, shoot!
How'd she do that?
Can we go 5 minutes without pissing a crypt bearer off?
I get it. I'll be ready this time.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! I shoot! Stop hitting rock!
You stop hitting rock.
Screw you! Rock!
Hold on.
What?
Ah! Peter! Baseball bat!
Yeah!
Nuclear bomb!
Zapper!
You dickheads! Get rid of that die!
No!
We are never fucking doing that again.
I second that.